Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to compare weekly versus monthly Fundbox repayments. If you're thinking about borrowing with Fundbox and wondering how weekly repayments compare to monthly ones, well, in this video I'm going to break down the differences so that you can choose the plan that fits your cash flow. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to check out is the fact that Fundbox default is weekly payments. Now, Fundbox typically deducts payments every week from your linked business bank account. You don't have an option for monthly payments by default, but here's how you can think about it. Next, let's talk about break it down by weekly or monthly flow. Now, weekly flow is smaller, manageable amounts that spread out, whereas monthly is a larger lump sum that's easier for businesses with steady monthly income. Now, why weekly can be better? Of course, weekly is easier on cash flow. You're not hit with a large amount at once, so it's great for businesses with weekly revenue cycles like retail or services. Now, let's simulate monthly equivalents. Now, if you want to simulate a monthly view, all you got to do is multiply the weekly payments by 4.3, which is the average weeks in a month. For example, $300 a week. That's $1,290 for a month. Now, all you got to do next is to plan your budget. So weekly repayments means more frequent deductions. So all you got to do is keep your account funded. Monthly might feel easier, but it isn't currently offered natively by Fundbox. A couple of tips, a quick tip for you guys is if you prefer fewer deductions, you want to consider consolidating draws or repaying early and then redrawing when needed. Weekly versus monthly, well, it all comes down to how your business earns and spends. If you like this guide, then hit subscribe for more Fundbox tips and financial clarity. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.